In this video, we will look at the Find Data option of this pop-up menu. So when you right-click on the grid, you will see this pop-up. And when you click on the Find Data, you should be able to find the value that you entered. So this is a grid. Right-click on the grid. You'll see the Find Data. It displays a pop-up with a search box. You can enter the value here. And click on Find. So it will find the row whose column value matches the string here. Can do find the next row, find. It finds the row with the value modern style. And then I can close the pop-up. To find a row in a grid whose column value matches the given value, we can use the find row method on a data set. When you use the find row, it will find the first row whose column value matches the given value. And the find row will exclude any rows that are filtered out. If you want to include all the rows in the data set, you can use another method, find row NF. In this method, you have an option to provide the start and end row number. If no row number is provided, the start will be 0 and the end will be the row count of this data set. So in this example here, find row, a value 100 in column 00, starting from row 10 to row 1000. Let's look at how find data is implemented. So on the menu click, you have a find data. So we first create a child frame whose ID is find data, and it has the values like left, top, height, and width. The URL for this child frame is finddata.xfdl, which is this file here. And then you define some parameter. In this case, we are sending the grid as a parameter for the find data. And then show this child frame as a model. This is a text field to enter the search value, and this is the button to find the value. If the search text field is not empty, we iterate through all the column in the grid dataset, and we find the value in that column. We are starting with the row 0 all the way down to the row count. This find row will return the first row whose column value matches the find value. So if we have a match and the grid select type is row or multi-row, we highlight the row. If the grid select type is cell or area, we highlight the first cell. So this is how you can use find row to find the value in a particular column.